How to remove song from Instagram post. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove songs from Instagram post, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the problem here is quite simple. You have Instagram, you posted something, while posting something you added a song, and now it has been successfully posted. But now you would like to remove that song. Now currently I don't have any song in my case. Well, if you tap the three dots option and then you go to edit button, you can find the option to add the caption, you can find the option to tag people, but you can't go ahead and then actually remove the song. That is simply not possible, because if it is a photo and a song has been added for certain seconds, that photo gets converted to a video and you can't convert that video back into a photo again. That's simply not possible. So all you have to do is to just make sure that to delete that particular little profile or any sort of post that you have, because there is no other options to do this, and once done you'll be able to enter a new post without having to enter the song. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.